Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music to your YouTube video. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to add music to your video, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So we go to the YouTube studio, then the content and select the video we need. Click here. Next select the editor on the left side and a page opens where you can trim and cut, blue or add music. So click plus next to the audio and see the available music for your video. All of it is copyright free and allow it for use on YouTube. Before adding it, you can turn on and listen to music and then click add. Next you can edit your music as you like, move it and make it shorter, change its volume and delete it if necessary. That's how simple it is. Also watch my other videos about YouTube at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.